Place the front panel in the vicinity of where you want the Cosyfit to be. Ensure the Velcro straps are facing outwards. Retrieve the side panel and ensure the zipped edge is on the floor and push the two panels together. Repeat this for the other side panel and back panel. Fasten each Velcro strap on all four sides to ensure the panels are secure. Unzip the opening panel's main zip. Then unclip the large buckle, bringing the whole opening panel to the side where it can be secured on the Velcro dots. Insert the mattress into the compartment, making sure you push down on all corners. The Cosyfit is now ready to use.